Come test drive the 2026 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.